Okay, in this video, we're going to work through how to update products using OptizenAI. Navigate to the OptizenAI app and then to the Product Updates tab. The first thing you'll need to do is sync your products so all your products are integrated with the app if it's the first time using the app. Also, once you add new products to your store, it's always a good idea to sync your products again to make sure all products are up to date. We've got a click here for instructions video pop-up. This will be updated from time to time. There'll also be links in here for the video tutorials. You can see here we've got 3 prompts: product selection, prompts, and progress status. At the moment, we're in the product selection tab. If I try and click these at the moment, we cannot click through as we need to select our products first. There are 2 ways you can select your products. You can search by product name or you can search by product tag. So for example, if you have a collection and you wanted to update all the products within that collection, you can just add a tag to all those products, and likely all the products within that collection will already have a tag or a number of tags. You can use those tags to just search for the products within that collection. So this example, this collection here, we have 9 products. The tag is absorbing, so all these products have the tag added absorbing. So we're going to search for this now. I'm going to click search, and then it pulls back those products. If we click select products, we can see that it shows we have 9. So now we've selected these products. So you can choose if you want to update all products, one of the products, a group of products, using the checkboxes. In this example, we're going to select all our products. Just keep in mind there's a maximum of 500 products at a time, just so we don't overload resources. Okay, then you can click next, and now we come to the prompts tab. You'll need to name your prompt. So in this example, we're going to call this absorbing updates. It won't run unless you add a name, so you need to add a name in there. And here you can choose your prompts. So we've got 4 sections: SEO title, H1 page title, SEO description, or product description. There are 3 ways you can add your prompts. You can either write prompts in the field here. You can choose prompts from your personal repository, which you've saved from the template section, or you can use the prompt repository, which is a group of prompts that we have allocated, and that will also grow over time to make it easier for you to just add prompts quickly and have them running. So at this moment, I'm going to choose from the prompt repository and use the drop-down selection to actually choose which prompt I'm going to use. Okay, so I'm going to decide to use a simple reword SEO title, and you can see now the prompt is added to the field. You can also update these in real time. So if you wanted to make some adjustments to this particular prompt, which I will do now. So reword the SEO title for this product. Do not exceed 60 characters. Do not add quotation marks in the title. And I'm going to add in ensure the brand is added in the title. The brand is absorbing. Okay, so I'm happy with that prompt. I'm going to click update this section, and then I'm going to come to the H1 page title because I'm going to choose to update all 4 sections for all 9 products. I'm going to use the prompt repository again, and you can see here we have our different prompts. Again, I'm going to use reword H1 page title and reword this product title. Do not extend the title further than this and avoid using sensationalist tones. I'm also going to add in ensure the brand is added. So I'm going to copy this section and just paste that in there as well. Select update. Now SEO description, we've only got a couple in here. I'm going to use the reword description again. You can see here it's got a placeholder for payment option. So wherever you see square brackets, you can just replace them with your own prompts. So I'm going to add in my Afterpay option, and also a zip pay option. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm going to select update this section. And now we come to our product description. So here you can get quite creative. We've got some simple product description rewording, rephrasing. We've also got an option for internal links. I'll cover that in another video. You can see here you would need to add your own internal links, and in that video I'll explain how we do that. But for this example, I'm just going to use HTML product description with features. So rewrite this product description in HTML wrapped in P tags in a professional e-commerce tone. So you can use HTML in these prompts. So that means we'll have a paragraph tags, we'll have some strong tags for bolding, add a HTML space, then add a heading wrapped in H2, and the term will be features, then add a HTML space, then add 2 to 3 bullet points in HTML format of the main features of the product. So that just adds a little more feature-rich product description, as you'll see. So we're going to click Update this section. So before we do that, let's just have a look at one of the products here. So this is the title. We can see we've got the SEO title up here. And we've got a very small description existing. Now at this point, if you click Proceed, it'll give you a warning. Are you sure you want to proceed? Once you click yes, it'll go through and update the products, and it will update the products in real time live. So we have a fail-safe in process. Once the products are updated, once we go to logs in a second, you'll see that we have the ability to restore all products as well. So if you're not happy with the output, you can actually restore to the previous version. I would also recommend when you're using the app that occasionally you download your products via CSV, just so you've got a local version on your machine if you run into any trouble. And then generally what I also do, especially when I'm using new prompts, I might run the prompts on 1 or 2 products first just to check the output, and then come through and run them in bulk. So we're happy with that. We're going to click yes, and now you can see the process is running and we have a job initiated successfully notice. If we click logs or go to logs, we can see that now our products are actually added to the log. We've also got the date and the number of products. Just before we check the details of this, I just want to show you how the status works. So we'll click on details of a previous run. And here we've got all our products here and the details of the SEO title, H1, SEO description, and product title. Now, this is a rare occurrence. You can see there's a number of fails. When we actually ran this particular batch, OpenAI had a problem with the API, and if there is a page you can go to for OpenAI to click the status of the actual process itself, and they were running errors. So halfway through this, all these failed and they pulled back with an error. But you can see here, they'll either be, the 3 statuses will either be in progress, success, or fail. But if they do fail, you can reattempt failed products, and then you can also restore all, or you can restore selected. So you can select some products you wanted to restore if you weren't happy with them, and click restore selected. But now we'll go back to the main logs, and we're going to click on details, and we can see that all these have completed already with a success message. So within each of the product updates, you can view the previous version of the content and the new version of content. So if we click view details, we can see this was the old content for the SEO title, and this is the new content which has been changed. The H1 page title, we have an update to the H1 page title, our SEO description, and our product description. So we can see previously the product description just had sort of 4 bullet points. Now we have some richer text, and we have our features and some bolding. And depending on how different you want your text and your content, you can play with the prompts to actually achieve what you're trying to achieve with these product updates. So I'm quite happy with those. So if we now go and look at our example product, so this was the one here, keep note of hoof polish absorbing, a small description here. If we refresh this now, we can see that it's edited the title. The SEO title has also been edited, and we have a richer product description. So that's this project for the 9 products is now complete. Pretty happy with the output. It's very simple to use, and you can update products at scale quite quickly. As I mentioned, there's a maximum of 500 products at a time. It's also really handy to change small elements of a group of products. So let's say, for example, if you have a sale coming up and you wanted to change the H1 or the page title of all products in that sale, if we go to our product updates now, I'm just going to quickly select an example product, and now we can use our prompts. We can add an on-sale prefix. You can do that prefix or suffix for the page title, and you can update any of these sections with prompts that do that for you at scale. That's it for this video. If you have any feature requests, you can just click this link and fill in the form, and we will look at feature requests as they come in. And then if you have any questions, we have the email down here, team@OptizenApp, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks. We'll see you in the next video.